Jap, I think I got lost.
Korang dah masuk ke?
Dah. Korang di situ je lah. Okay. But already there's no sign here. We go the wrong place, guys. Go back to lubang. Yeah, supposed to go C2C.
Enter.
Yeah, masuk balik. Sorry. Ayo, kita tengah collect semua ni, ayo.
Asal kita pergi situ A dari tadi. Silap.
Ya, salah.
Aku streaming aku buat silap kantoi.
You inject too much SP, lepas tu agak-agak you pro. Okay, everybody in dah?
Dah.
Okay, now going to C2C. Ayo. Mopping.
Warp drive active.
Even links of pergi situ ayo, not my fault
Check, Ati belum masuk. Ati is not with us.
Atik.
Wait, ya. Ada.
Ya. Tunggu jap, kita tengah landing C2C punya bomba. Okay, kita tunggu sampai Hati datang. Hati, walk to me please.
Sekejap, tengah walk.
Roger. Okay, kita tunggu sini sampai Link datang. Kita sekarang will do kick cam. Sekejap. Oh my god, so stress. You sure not C2C? C2C got a lot of gas, no? Oh my god, so stressed. They're like... Oh my god, UL. You sure not C2C? C2C got a lot of gas, no? Oh my god, so stressed. They're like... Sekejap, tengah debate. Hai. Okay, we're going to do one in our system. Since kita pun macam nak mati dah.
Why?
Right, we're going to QOY.
Masuk wormhole ke?
Jangan.
Okay.
Kita pergi tempat lain. Hai. Ayo. Ni dekat ni. Okay, we're going to do one in our system. See, for fail. Orang tak tengok. I pun kita pun macam nak mati dah.
Mari tengok siapa yang kena tembak.
Ada orang nak buat kena. Oh my god. Aduh.
What? Collapse?
Nah, ada orang dah buat dah. Ada orang tak ambil segi. Oh my god, so fail. Okay, kita balik pause. Kena scan jap. Thank you for coming to Zekler's apa nama tu, cucu train around.
Fail C3 ni.
Ini stream ni.
Tak apalah.
Famous.
Ya, tengah sightseeing ni. Okay, tunggu scanner jap. Yang mana boleh scan tu, tolong scan jap, please.
Balik pause ke stay je?
Stay sini jap. Kita
Okay.
hang out jap. Turn on Hunter. In case you all nak piu-piu sendiri, aku tak mau bunuh siapa.
Si Toby dah tak ada.
Balik post lah.
Nak balik pos lah.
Aku kapal. Scan jap.
Tunggulah sekejap. Kalau ada combat probe, baru kita balik. Diorang dah balik dah. Okay lah, kita balik ya.
You all not disciplined. Your FC lifestyle.
Warp drive
Tak
active.
semua dah apa nama tu, lost faith in the room because tak ada apa nak buat. If you two Owen. At least I don't get anybody killing themselves. Alright. Thank you for forming up and be disciplined. At least that 10 of